Think fast. Answer faster. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which country? Australia. In what year did World War II begin? (939). Who wrote the Harry Potter series? J.K. Rowling. What is the easternmost point of mainland Asia? Cape Dezhnev, Russia. What is the name of the longest bone in the human body? Femur. Who invented the World Wide Web? Tim Berners-Lee. What is the capital of Australia? Canberra. Which Disney princess sings Let It Go? Elsa. Which company developed the Android operating system? Google. Which internet protocol is primarily responsible for sending email? SMTP. What programming language was originally created for writing system software? Pascal. What ancient civilization invented the wheel? Sumerians. Which of these artists is not a member of the Beatles? Freddie Mercury. What is the process by which plants convert light into energy? Photosynthesis.